everybody, welcome to an example of how to use squares. So find the side of a square whose area is 6.25 square centimeters. Use a graph to check your answer. So here's our 6.25 centimeters squared. So what I want to do is take x times x, right? Area of a square is length times width, which is the same thing. So I get x squared equals 6.25. Right? So what I want to do is I want to take the square root of both sides of this. And when I take the square root, I should get both plus and minus answers. So I should get the positive number and the negative number. So I get x equals, and what number squared is 625? Well, it's actually 25. So, excuse me, that means that my answer can just be 2.5. And I should get plus or minus 2.5. I take 2.5 times 2.5, I get 6.25. And if I take negative times itself, I'll also get positive 6.25. But does it make sense for x to be a negative? Well, no. That doesn't make sense because I can't have a negative area or a negative length. I've never seen that on a ruler or anything like that. Negative 3. What? No, that doesn't make sense. So in this case, we can get rid of the negative. We can just say x equals 2.5. All right? So now let's see if we can graph this to check our answer. So let's just go right over here to Desmos, and we'll clear these other things out. And we'll say, let's say y equals x, and we have to square it, which is on here, right here, we have x squared. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to be able actually to find our answer of 2.5. Well, 2.5 looks like it's going to be right about here. So if we just move this up, 2.5, where's that going to be at? And here's our answer right here, 2.5 and 6.25, right there. So we graphed it, checked our answer. There it is. And if we go back and look at this, that looks like a nice parabola. Okay. So, we were right. Good job.